took the wiper blades off of the car and the wiper arms, and they've got all kinds of chips, and the paint is coming off, and it's just going back to the metal, bare metal showing. So I want to try to make these look as good as the paint does on the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sandblast them, then I'm going to spray paint them black again with some what they call 2X paint, which is primer and paint in one. So let's get that. Alright, there we have it. Sandblasted blade ready for paint. Wipe some alcohol on it, get it ready to go. I want to show you what I'm using here. I'm using a very inexpensive Craftsman sandblaster that you just dump the sand in and the gun just hooks to the air hose. I've had this thing for probably 20 years. That's all I've ever needed for sandblasting. They don't cost very much money, so all you do is replace the tips in there when they go bad, and you'll be blasting. So I recommend you get one of these for your shop. We got the wiper arms back on the car. They look great. Like brand new. Look at that reflection. Can't get much better than that.